Hello, this is Anna. I'm an English teacher and I prepare students for IELTS. This video will be about how to complete the Writing Task 1 table. So here is our table about different subjects and the level of difficulty. I always use the same structure to complete Writing Task 1. In the first paragraph, I rephrase a statement. In the second paragraph, I write an overview, and the third and the fourth paragraphs are body paragraphs where I describe and compare everything in details. So let's take a look at our first and second paragraph. The table compares how easy or difficult students at a UK university found chemistry, physics, maths, art, European, Asian, and African languages. So it's okay to enlist all the subjects here. Overall, the students considered scientific disciplines more difficult to study than languages. Obviously, we can see from the table. It can be seen that the opinions on subjects' difficulty differed significantly, with the exception of European languages, where respondents' answers were divided almost equally. And then I proceed. Math was rated as difficult by most students, while chemistry was seen as easy by the majority of students. So always mention the highest and the lowest, or the biggest and the smallest in your overview. And then I have two body paragraphs. Let's proceed to the first one. Basic sciences, math and physics were said to be mostly difficult, with 70% and 50% accordingly. So I started with the most difficult subjects. So math and physics, we can call them basic sciences. In contrast, I start to compare. The small proportion of respondents rated them as easy, 20% and 25% respectively. So respectively is a synonym of accordingly. Then I say it is notable that physics and art were seen as difficult with an equal number of students. 50% each. So it's a key feature. We always should state something similar or equal with the same numbers of figures. Likewise, again, it's comparison. I state similarities. A similar number of students found these subjects moderately difficult, 25% and 20% accordingly. So this is my first body paragraph where I compared math, physics, and art. So in the second body paragraph, I will compare the languages and chemistry. Regarding the languages, a very nice introducing linker to show what you're going to write about. Regarding the languages, European and Asian languages were equally assessed as difficult by students, 30% each. Again, similarity. By contrast, so in the Writing Task 1, we need to compare. So the phrases like by contrast, in contrast, as opposed to are very useful. Half of the students found Asian languages moderately difficult, 50%, and a large proportion of students described European languages as easy, 40%. Here I compared Asian languages and European languages. In contrast, chemistry and African languages were regarded as easy by 70% and 60% of students respectively. So here I compare chemistry and African languages. Also, the equal percentage of students rated these disciplines as difficult, 20%. Again, another similarity. So this is our table description, rephrasing paragraph, overview, and two body paragraphs. If you found it useful, please hit like and make sure to follow me for more IELTS preparation tips.